is surely like this. Approaching of the UFC is purely hypeness. So I mention it again and again. It's not necessary. Those who comprehend my message very clearly, but not all over way of translucent. Throw your hands up for the man's up. Who's sitting haters on my fruit basket to a casket, meaning done away. See the flux run away. So as a UMC, I ask myself, who could be the leaders, resembling the stars out of fall? And as to find the coolest in me, at a whim, who would freeze blue cheese? Spin a 360 on a runway stop, and hear many more than just one sit. UNIVERSAL. Cause we gave them all one thought to grow on.
My method is apparent. I see clearly this world's transparent. So I'll reach down deep, deliver salvation to the hands of the weak, the meek, the mild. Then take the wild, cause that's how I'm styled. The wizard of Ra, a symbol is AU, and layman's term goes. So watch me shine through a new zoo review coming right at you, and you and you, killers coming through. I go over what my strength is that too. The beat must be my crew. I'm mental ingredients all the bitches are not better sit this song inside the song. Yeah, I neutralize your weaponry to make it more appropriate to do with me, and then I give you one to grow on.
When you're feeling kind of small, grow on this, like one, grow on this, stand up for the community. Flow short now, looking to the point of authority. You and I versus the majority. Here's what we're looking at here at the count of three. This is the UMC chair.
1, 2, 3.
This to make your life seem great. This to take control of your day. This until you finally understand. Through and through, another voice of you, man. Sit beside the shoreline, think about your goals. Read the whips and waves, identify your modes. You realize in this instance of existence, there's great resistance to the minds that makes this. Yes, I make things know. It's obvious what we're going to show. And I'm doing three planes of reality. Universally, mystically, conceptually. You make fun that I'm living in the world of my design, and I give you one to grow on.
3, 2, 1.
Surely like this, approaching of the UFC is purely hypeness. So I mention it again and again. It's not necessary. Those who come with translucent. Throw your hands up for the man's up. Who's sitting haters on my feet.